Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Kabir and today I'm going to be showing you how you can resign from a team or leave a club that you just don't want to continue to stay with in OSM Manager. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be doing the Leeds United save because obviously I don't really like managing Leeds United, and I would prefer maybe doing a tournament or maybe doing in a Spanish league or a much bigger league. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to be selecting Leeds United. And yeah, so for you to do this, it's on the top right, if I'm not mistaken, with the dashes and the dots. You gotta click on that. It's a blue and white icon, and once you've clicked on that, what you need to do is you have to basically just scroll down and you have to go to board. Now, once you're on board right over here, you have to click on resign. Bear in mind that when you do this, that you have to first complete an entire game in the unwanted save for you to be able to do this. So if you've just started and you don't want to control this team, you have to wait a game for you to be able to do this. So you click on resign, click on OK, you click on OK again, and then you'll be able to leave this save. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe. And by the way, people do ask this question especially in the Reddit, if you can leave if there's a tournament. Well, you can't really. If you're in a tournament, you can't leave unless you get knocked out. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Peace out.